Can't wait for the party. Yeah, it's going to be great. See you at 6. Perfect. Cake? Wait.
Leo, why do you look so scared?
Sarah, I think I made a huge mistake.
What did you do?
I wanted to have Emma's welcome party in December, but look at the invitation.
Leo, this says the party is on Friday. Today is Friday.
I know! I clicked the wrong button. It sent the message for today.
What time did you put on the invitation? Please tell me it is late at night.
No, I told everyone to arrive at 6 p.m. Look at the clock. It is 5:05 p.m. right now. The house is dirty. We have no food.
Okay, do not panic. We have 50 minutes. I will order pizzas. You clean the living room.
Hello, Mario's Pizza.
Hi. I'd like to order 5 large pizzas, please. It's a bit of an emergency. Can you deliver them right now?
I am sorry, miss. We are very busy in the evening. The driver can be at your house at 6:15.
6:15 p.m.? Oh no, the party starts at 6:00. The pizza will not be on time.
But miss, they can eat when the pizza arrives. It will be there in time for dinner.
Okay, 6:15 is fine. Thank you. Leo, what are you doing?
Just getting this box under here.
That's not going to fit. Leo, the food is coming at 6:15, but we have no drinks. And wait, did you buy a gift for Emma?
Oh no. I forgot the gift. I was going to buy it in November.
Oh, Leo. No food. No drinks. No gift. I don't know what to do.
Sarah, do not worry. I have an idea. I will fix this. Hey, Leo. I am buying apples. Do you need anything for the party? Mark! Yes, please put the apples down. We need drinks and ice. Can you bring them here? Sure. I can be at your house at 5:50. That is 10 minutes before the party. I will arrive in time to help you lay out the drinks. That's perfect, Mark. Thank you so much. You are a lifesaver, Mark. Thank you.
Leo, what are you doing?
I am making a scrapbook for Emma. Look, I am putting all our funny photos in it. Gotta finish this scrapbook! Perfect, now for the glue. Ah, it's stuck to my hand! Get off! Get off! Ah!
This is actually very sweet, Leo. She will love this more than a store gift.
We did it. We finished just in time.
Who is here at 5:50? Is it Mark?
It's Emma! The party is for her! Hide! We can't hide!
Open the door! Hi, guys. I know I am early. I wanted to come early because I hate driving at night. I cannot see well in the dark. Is that okay?
Emma, you are always welcome here. You are perfectly on time.
Hi, Sarah. Hi, Emma. Welcome home. Did you guys make this for me? This is beautiful. Thank you.
We met outside. We are early. We are in time for the surprise.
Thank you, guys. This is the best surprise party ever.
In the end, everyone arrived safely, the pizza was delicious, and Emma's early welcome party was a huge success. Wow, what a crazy Friday. But did you notice how we talked about time during the panic?
By listening to our story, you just learned the English prepositions of time. In, on, and at.
To help you remember, think of time like this triangle. We will start at the wide bottom and zoom in.
The bottom of the triangle is very wide. We use IN for big periods of time, like a whole month, a season, or part of the day. We say, in December, or in the evening.
Next, we move up to the middle. It is a little narrower. We use on for specific days and dates. We say on Friday or on December 5th. Finally, we are at the very top. It is a tiny point. We use AT for exact clock times. We zoomed all the way in. We say at 6 p.m. or at midnight.
Let's practice right now. You have 3 seconds to guess the missing word. Emma's birthday is blank the winter.
The answer is in the winter, because winter is a long season.
Next one. My English class is blank Monday.
The answer is on Monday, because Monday is a day.
Next one. I usually wake up blank 7 a.m.
The answer is at 7:00 a.m. because it is an exact clock time.
Now, what about on time versus in time? On time means exactly at the right time. Not early, not late. Emma arrived on time.
In time means before it is too late. You have enough time to do something. Mark arrived in time to set up the drinks. Let's test both.
The train left exactly blank, but luckily we ran fast and arrived just blank to catch it.
For the first blank, the answer is on time. The train followed its exact schedule.
For the second blank, the answer is in time. You arrived before it was too late to get on the train.
But wait, one last special rule. We say in the morning, so why do we say at night?
It is a famous English rule. Look at this drawing. When there is daylight, we use ein the. In the morning, in the afternoon. But when it gets dark, we treat night like a specific time on the clock because we sleep. We say, at night. Great job today. You survived the panic and learned English time rules.
Now it is your turn for a homework challenge. We want you to practice in, on, and at all together in the comments below.
Look at the screen and fill in the blanks. Number 1. My birthday is blank.
Number 2. I relax. Blank.
And number 3. I sleep blank.
We will read and heart the correct answers. If you enjoyed learning with us today, click subscribe for Simply Real English.
Also, do you want a free cheat sheet with the time triangle we used today? Just click the link in the description below to download it for free.
Happy studying, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!